Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can automatically mute all participants when they join a meeting on Zoom meeting application. Alright guys, here I have created a meeting on my Zoom application, and first of all we can go to the meeting setting. We can scroll all the way to the right until we find this three dots button. Click on the three dots button, then you're gonna click on the meeting settings. Okay, and here if you want to automatically mute all your participants when they join your meeting, you just need to click on this option, mute upon entry. Activate this option, and after that all your participants will be muted when they join your meeting. Alright guys, and that's how we can automatically mute all participants when they join a meeting on Zoom meeting application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.